Grab the seat base cushion with both hands and pop the seat up. Repeat on both sides. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 2 screws slightly to disconnect the strings from the underside of the cushion. Remove the cushion from the vehicle and place it upside down on a flat surface. Unzip the seat base cover and slide the cover over the base cushion. Open the Velcro closure straps and zip up the seat cover. Feed the Velcro straps through the small hole in the plastic frame. Make sure the pin in the seat base pokes through the small hole in the underside of the seat base cover on both sides. Repeat for all 4 straps. Pull all 4 straps tight and Velcro together. Pull the drawstring in the corner of the seat cover. Slide the cord lock slider down the drawstring for a good fit. Reattach the 2 strings that we previously removed. Reinstall the seat base cushion with the long zipper to the rear of the vehicle. Make sure both pins are fully seated back in the frame. Move the driver and passenger seat belts out of the way. Unzip the 2 zippers on the lower edge of the seat back cover and position the cover with the holes to the rear to accommodate the support bar. Slide the cover over the back cushion, passing it under the middle seat belt. Once the cover is pulled tight to the bottom of the seat back, connect the separator zippers and zip up both sides.